Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. This is SQL Server Management Studio tutorials. Here we are going to discuss few important things. If you are working inside the SQL Server Management Studio and you are the beginner, you must know these things. So we are going to discuss 2 points here. First, we will see how to comment and uncomment T-SQL code in SQL Server Management Studio, and then we will see how to indent our SQL queries. Let's begin. So first, open your SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the SQL Server. You can see I have connected, and after the connection you will have the database list. Okay, so select any database, do right click, select new query, and you will have this query window. Okay, so I have a small T-SQL statement here, so I will show you with the help of this. So I just copied from the notepad and pasted here. And now suppose you have a multiple statements on this SQL queries and you want to comment only the particular part. Just select that part and go here on the tool section and just click on this button, and this button is used for to comment the particular section. This time your query is commented, and now you are ready to run the rest of the part. So the query execution successful. After running the query, we have the impact on database and a new database is created. Let me refresh and you can see the new database tutorial DB is just created. This is a blank database, we have no tables. And now we will see how to uncomment. Simple, the same process. Suppose you want to run only this statement only. So first we will uncomment this and we will see. So select the part that you want to comment or uncomment. So we have the button on the top at this toolbar strip. So just click here to uncomment the particular code. So first select the code and just click on this uncomment. That's all. Very simple. And select the portion that you want to execute and you will have the results. You can simply execute any single statement as well after unselecting that particular portion. So just unselect, and suppose I want to run only this portion, I can do it easily. Command executed successfully and that created database is deleted. See this. Okay, this was the process to comment and uncomment, and now we will see how to indent our SQL queries. That is very simple. So suppose you have the same T-SQL statements or a lot more things or very complex queries you have and you want to indent as per your need. So just go on the right hand side, you have these tools for indent. Right side means add the margin on your selected code and you can decrease the margin this way from this button. So we have these two important buttons which are very useful if you are working with the very lengthy SQL query and you want to indent that query. That's all for this video. I hope this video is useful for you. If you think this video is useful for you, so please like this tutorial and you can subscribe to learn more. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.